Yeah. She's Asian too.
Yay!
From
China.
China. Philippines.
Yes.
Asians are beautiful. Do you agree?
Yes, I do.
I'll do before and after. Is that okay? Of course.
Okay.
Is that okay for you to do?
Oh yes, yes. Oh, that looks so nice. I love photos, you know. I like your nails. They're so pretty.
Oh, yeah, it's just.
Did you do them yourself?
No, in the.
In the shop?
Yes.
All your nails?
That's my nails.
You have beautiful nails.
Yes, it.
Need to come back again. Where did you do your nails? So pretty.
North side Plaza.
Yeah.
It's a nail salon there called Helen's Nail Salon.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much did you pay for that?
25.
That's pretty reasonable. The price.
Just ask Sheila.
Yeah, yeah.
Because when you ask like acrylic or other stuff, it's like
More
$50.
expensive. Yeah. Yeah, Shalak will be fine. It will be good enough for today.
Are you going there today?
Maybe I should go there after I finish here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if I have enough time. I was thinking of doing my nails yesterday, but because after work I was too tired, so I didn't go. Yeah. A quick one from my friend. She helped me to do it for my wedding. And graduation, you know, those are not normal ones. Oh, for how long now?
Decades already.
Wow.
But
Yeah.
when I was there,
Yeah.
my makeup technique is not good. Because trends always
Change.
yeah.
Yeah, remember the first time when we met each other, that time you were telling me you were doing makeup and all of those? And then since then I've been following your video and also the photos you took. I was like, when can I go to see you? I just don't have something important to do it. Yeah.
Okay, look up.
Yeah, that's why last night when you messaged me back, I was like, yes, this is meant to be.
I was so scared last night, like, what she want?
Yeah. It was like very urgent last night because I didn't know, and he suddenly told me that. And also our workmates keep asking me what dress am I going to wear, and then you were the one came into my mind. I was like, oh my god, what will happen if you're working today? That's it. I'm so glad. Yeah, perfect timing.
The kind of video is so perfect.
Oh, you got so many followers on your YouTube. It's growing. Yeah, very successful.
So doing a sponge technique this is where your makeup will last long. Blend the brush. Base the makeup on the slide off.
Yeah.
So,
You're very talented, I feel like. See, you do YouTube, you do makeup, and last time even for that Lego night, the thing you made, I was like, wow, I can't believe it.
Oh, thank you. I do events and everything.
Yeah. See, event, decoration, you do the things you love. Yeah. At the moment, other than doing nursing, I don't know what else I love yet. I mean, like, you know, like yeah. I love dancing. I love Zumba, and like some exercise. But other than that, not like you know, like doing makeup and all of those. I don't know. Maybe I should explore more. Because one time we posted with all those makeups, I was looking at them. Makeup Maxima, you bought it from them, right? Yeah. Their box looks so fancy. I couldn't stop buying them. After I bought it, I just didn't know how to use them.
Alright.
Yeah.
This one, the Hourglass.
Yeah.
It looks natural. That light.
Yeah. I'll send you the picture later. For tonight. I like sharing time with you.
So good.
Yeah.
So guys, we're not done the lip shade and mascara, so we'll do that later. A little bit messy.
Probably just like that. Yeah, like that. A little bit tidier.
Okay.
Yeah, so that I don't need to look after.
And I need to put fistproof lipstick.
Yep.
So
Wow, God, you're like an expert. You got so many makeup and skincare, everything. You are a real girl, okay? You are.
thank you.
You know, I got a little bag, like makeup bag at home.
Yeah.
It's already making me feel like, oh, this is too much for me. And then when I went into your room, I was like, oh no. You got more things than those shop even.
I like her smiling.
Thank you.
There is dimension on your hair. I haven't sprayed this one yet.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, you look so girly.
I know, right? I feel so girly too.
Okay, let's finalize this one up. See?
So pretty. This I like this hairstyle.
You like it?
Yeah.
Don't have mascara yet. See, I like when my client have lots of... I'm stressing as well. Like, I'm panicking.
Yeah. You know, I was like really panicked last night. I was like, I don't think I can make it. I thought,
Friends around you, look.
yeah, it is.
You just tell me if you feel like tickled.
Yeah,
It tickled?
yeah.
You can like move on.
Yeah.
Oh, I put it out.
That's okay.
Blinking.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. See?
Yes.
Yes.
See?
You run out of lipstick, you can just retouch.
Yeah.
Magic? Is it magic?
Looks so nice, eh?
How is that?
Nice.
You like it?
Yes. I really like it.
Thank you. You like it?
See, now I know what you mean by not make it too pale. Now looks very natural, the color, but it looks good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because if you look too pale,
Yeah.
the effect of the
Camera photos.
photos.
Yeah.
That's why I suggested all
Very
those.
natural.
You have like skinny face. So even in the camera, you look too pale. How much more if I didn't tone your skin down?
Yeah.
See that?
I don't think my husband will recognize me now.
So you happy with that?
I am.
Or do you want more glitter on your eyelids? So that's okay.
Probably a little bit more.
You want more?
Yeah. So that, you know, just in case.
In case.
Yeah,
Okay.
tonight. Yeah.
You want more glitter and stuff?
Oh.
I have silver.
Oh, you know, this is the one from Makeup Maxima, right?
Yeah.
Because they sent us the sample before. And I love them a lot. They're so good.
So which shade do you want? You only got 2 options here.
Okay. So, let me have a look.
I think they're pretty much the same.
Golden Girl.
This is girl.
Golden Girl and Kitten Karma. That one.
You want the golden girl?
Yeah, Golden Girl.
Okay, and then keep closing your eyes and I need to set your makeup now. Not that nervous. I think you're ready to open your eyes now.
Okay.
I add highlighter on your chin
Yeah.
and your nose, see?
Ah. Wow.
You like
This is so good.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay.
Where am I supposed to look? Am I supposed to look at there or there?
Yeah, there. Okay.
A little bit advertisement.
Look down. So that's her eyes. She want glitter. So yeah.